Zanussi ZOB35301xk oven. On the mains wiring block at the back, which is live and which is neutral. Only earth is marked and just 4 and 5 on the wiring block.
Hiya, can you post a photograph of the wiring block? Normally it would be marked 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Thanks.
Here are the attachment. The first picture shows the connectors at the back, earth, 5 and 4. The second picture shows the cable connected, earth 5 equals live 4 equals netrual. The oven worked wired up this way. Note, 5 is not marked live and 4 is makred netrual. Voltage 220 volts. Thanks David Ladd.
Hiya, thanks for letting me know how it went. Glad you got it sorted out and wired up. At least, with 2 of them marked, it's easy enough to work out the live position as 1, 2 and 3 have no connections on them. Good luck with the appliance. Thanks.
Hi, only earth is marked. It was just pot luck that I chose 4 as neutral and 5 as live. I don't know what would have happened if wired 4 and 5 the other way round. It may be because it's AC internally both 4 and 5 are fused. I am surprised that Zanussi have not marked them L and N. Thanks David.
Hiya, they aren't fused inside, there's thermal cutouts but no fuses. On your previous post you actually posted in 4 as makred netrual, so I took it you'd found a marking, so I didn't continue obtaining the manual for the machine. Now you've posted that it wasn't marked. I've obtained the service manual and find that you've actually got live and neutral reversed. The picture in the service manual shows earth, neutral and then live. Hope this helps. Thanks.
Yes, I see in my post I wrote 4 is marked neutral when it should read 4 is not marked neutral. Sorry about that. The connector box in your picture is different to the picture I posted of the one on the back of the oven. I have read that as there is a dedicated earth connector, whichever way round you connect live and neutral is not important, except where the appliance was more than one phase. Thanks.
Hiya, for safety, then it doesn't matter, as you state. However, the machine is now switching live where it would be switching neutral. Switching neutral is less stressful for the switches and is now common on appliances. I know the boxes aren't identical, but the photograph is from the manual for your appliance. It shows that neutral is next to earth. You'll find that this is the case in most appliances. Good luck with the appliance. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.